Hi, this is Amanda Stevenson, and I'm going to be naming the bones of the skull. And this is my list of bones that I'll refer to make sure I list them all. Okay. The frontal, the parietal on both sides, the temporal, the occipital, the coronal suture, the sagittal suture, the squamous suture, the lambdoid suture, in the back here, the nasal bone, the maxilla, the mandible, the mental foramen, it's a little indentation down here, the mandibular ramus, the mandibular notch, the mandibular condyle back here, and then the coronoid process of the mandible, the zygomatic bone, the sphenoid bone right here, the ethmoid bone is right back here, and the lacrimal bone, and then anterior to that is the nasocrimal bone. The supraorbital foramen is up here, and the infraorbital foramen is below. The superior orbital fissure and the inferior orbital fissure. The vomer bone is right here. The perpendicular plate of ethmoid bone is right there in the middle. The middle and inferior conch, I believe, which is back here. The anterior nasal spine right here. External auditorial meatus is right here, the ear. Where was that? The glabella, the greater and lesser wing of the sphenoid bone. It's going to be the greater and lesser. Okay, the optical canal right there, the foramen rotundum, and then the foramen ovale, and the foramen spinosum right in there. Then the foramen magnum, the carotid canal, the jugular foramen located back here, the crista galli, and the cribriform plate, the sella tercisa, I believe is how that's pronounced, and the internal auditorial meatus, which you can't see very well, but that's located back here as well, in the back. And let's see, the mastoid process, the styloid process, which is this long bone back here that's extended back in there, yep. And okay, the palatine bones right there, our bone, incisive fossa, which is going to be right there, and greater palatine foramen are these two indentions in the back. Okay, and I believe I listed every bone of the skull. All right, thank you.